Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to refill or empty the water tanks on your ECOVACS X1 Turbo robot. So to do it, on your charging base, just open the top lid. And here you can see two water tanks. The one on the right is the clean water tank and the one on the left is the dirty water tank. And you can just take it out. And as you can see here, there is the lid which you can open to fill it, then close it. It's quite tricky to close it, but here I go. You can also empty this tank if you need to empty it for some reason, for example to transport it. So open this latch here. And just like that, you can empty it. Then put it back. And you can do the same with the dirty water tank. Although in this case you cannot fill it, you can only empty it. So open it here, then you can empty it, close it, and put it back in. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.